This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Today we'll evaluate limits using graphs. Let's dive in. Recall that the limit of f of x as x approaches a is the y value that f of x approaches as x approaches a. So for this graph, as x approaches 6, f of x is approaching 3. That means the limit of f of x as x approaches 6 is equal to 3. You might notice that the actual value of the function is not equal to our limit, but that's okay. We don't care about the actual value of the function, or even if it's defined at all, when x equals a. We're just looking for the value f of x is approaching as x approaches a. Great! Let's try some examples. Let's evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. Looking at the graph, we can see that as x approaches 1, the function approaches 8. So our limit is equal to 8. Let's try some more. First, let's evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches 0. By looking at the graph, we can see the function is approaching -5. So the limit is equal to -5. Now let's evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches 7. If we look at the graph, we can see the function is approaching -3. So the limit is equal to -3. Remember, it doesn't matter that f of 7 is equal to 2. The limit is still equal to -3. Nice work! Let's evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. Looking at the graph, we can see that the function approaches -8 as x approaches 2. So the limit is equal to -8. Now let's evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches -5 on this same graph. As x approaches -5, the function approaches -1. So the limit is equal to -1. Great job! Now try evaluating limits using graphs on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.